Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to easily change a Telegram email. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Telegram application. Now here you have to click this three lines at the top left corner and you have to locate settings. Okay, so scroll down here, tap this settings or this gear icon below. When you tap this one, you have to scroll down again and you have to look for privacy and security. Now under privacy and security, you'll see this login email. Tap this one and click this change email right here. Once you tap this, then it will allow you to type or enter again the email address, the new email address that you want to add. Or you can also tap this sign in with Google if you don't want to type your email address. So you can tap this sign in with Google and click this arrow facing to the right to continue or proceed. So once you have type or proceed with adding this new email address to your Telegram, then what you're going to do is you have to go to your email address and then look for that new message. They will notify you that you have changed your email address on your Telegram account, and all you have to do is to confirm that one. Basically, that's it. You just have to wait for their message. They will just message you on the email address that you have entered, the new email address. You have to make sure that you have input the correct email address so that when you open your email address, you will see their message or message from Telegram. So if you want us to create another tutorial or if you want us to do another tutorial, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.